Lordship, in this writ petition, Your Lordship, the petitioner is praying for renewal of his passport. Now, this is stuck up at the stage of police verification. Since 24th December 2024, I have filed this writ petition in the month of February, Your Lordship, this year. Lordship may kindly takes up tomorrow, Your Lordship. Or
I
I,
will not upgrade. We will go serially because there have been days where the entire list has been called on. So, because if I upgrade one, I'll have to upgrade everybody's. Before the
Lordship,
vacation, everybody is
I
coming
am
with the same
pleading
query.
for the urgency, Your Lordship. Kindly,
No, madam.
Lordship may
I
very
have
kindly.
fixed one. Please don't embarrass. I will not be. I cannot upgrade because as it is, I'm not a regular bench. I sit only when the division bench breaks. I don't know when I'll sit. I'll upgrade some matters. I'll not upgrade some. It won't look nice. Not now. If it reaches in usual course, it will because at many a times or not, we have called the entire list and it has not been responded.
Lordship, I'll be now, I'll be
Let
appealing,
us
Your
see, madam.
Lordship.
Let us see if the next time it can, it will
Uh,
reach you. Please be there.
Lordship,
It is
Lordship.
after a lot of people did not respond that matters are coming up
Lordship, this
as
was,
for
Lordship,
dismissal.
incidentally, this matter, Your Lordship, was not called.
No, no, all the matters, not once, twice, thrice, on two and three occasions at least, barring those days when it is there is a
Lordship, then
resolution not to attend.
I kindly stand to be, Lordship, I stand to be corrected. Your Lordship, may I only make one submission, Lordship? I am being very newly briefed. This is the first time I am mentioning,
Let
Your
us see,
Lordship.
madam. Let us make some progress. We shall
Lordship,
because
grateful, Lordship, grateful, my lord.
My lord, may I be permitted to mention one matter for inclusion? As per your lordship's order dated 9th September, the amended writ petition has already been served to the advocate appearing on behalf of the respondent. So matter should be again.
what is this matter?
Matter is, my lord, the petitioner.
There was a mistake in the address requested. So it will appear in the list.
No, there is no direction in the order to.
এটা লিস্টে দিয়ে দিন, মোশন সাইন দিয়ে
Your Lordship,
it'll
may I
appear.
permit to mention a matter for inclusion, it's a contempt. That's
Give it.
My lord, may I be permitted to mention on matter of original site jurisdiction, my lord, the petition, my lord, it was last, my lord, the matter was taken up on 1st August 2025 and
What
it was
matter? It's a hearing matter or a motion?
motion, my lord.
Motion I don't have determination.
Well, sorry, my hearing matter, my lord, for fixed for hearing, my lord. On 20, it was supposed to appear on August 22, 2025.
Original side, if somebody is there, original side, I don't think people are there today. Mention it tomorrow then. Tomorrow you mention it.
Deeply obliged, my lord.
Hearing matters before pujas, I don't think I'll be able to take up because there is a pressure of motions. You mention it, it will be there in the list if it is there in within my determination later.
Deeply obliged, my lord.
Yes. This. लिखे नहीं. This is an old appeal. This is an old second appeal. We'll stop. There is none to press the appeal. We'll stop. Let this matter be dismissed. The appeal stands dismissed for default. Same order ही হবে সবকটাতে যেখানে কেউ থাকবে না. ঠিক আছে? This is an old appeal. There is none to press the appeal. The matter stands dismissed for default. This is an old second appeal starting এ বললেন না? This is an কি start করেছে? This is an old second appeal. Old. This is an old second appeal. Full stop. There is none to press the appeal. এসে such and such ওই নাম্বারটা দিয়ে stands dismissed হতে হবে. নাম্বারটা দিয়ে দেবেন সব. দিন কল করবেন. কল তো করতেই হবে. Same order. Same order. Same order. কল করে যান আর দিতে হবে. 6 5 5টা 5 আইটেম 5 4 এর পর 6 কল করলেন. 5টা কল করবেন না. Same order. এনে সেম. পেপারগুলো ছিঁড়ে যাবে. Same order. Same order. এর নিচে NYA টা কি? NYA লেখা আছে, এগুলো কি? হুম? কি মানে ওর? আরো কয়েকটা মামলায় লিখেছে। হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, কি মানেটা কি জেনে জানাবে। নেক্সট। দেখি। এখানে একটু চেঞ্জ করবেন। এখানে ডিসমিস ফর ডিফল্ট লিখেছেন না, সবকটাতে ইন্টারিম অর্ডার উইথ ইনস্ট্যান্স ভ্যাকেটেড অ্যাপ্লিকেশন। এইটাতে অনেকগুলো অ্যাপ্লিকেশন আছে দেখছি। Appeal along with the connected application stands ওই এসে along with the connected applications can ফল ক্যানের কপিগুলো নেই দিদি? ক্যান আছে তো এর সঙ্গে কপি থাকবে তো। ক্যান তো 2012 এর ক্যান দিচ্ছি। এখানে ক্যান দেখাচ্ছে 2012 ক্যান আছে তো, ক্যান তো এখানে নেই দেখছি ফাইলে। ফাইলে ক্যান নেই তো, ক্যান কোথায় ফাইল? একটু পাস ওভার করে রাখুন, এটা পরে অর্ডারটা টাইপ করুন। চলুন 12। সেম অর্ডার 12, সেম অর্ডার। নেক্সট। সেম অর্ডার। সেম অর্ডার। একটা কাজ করুন, এই ম্যাটারগুলো কালকে লিস্টে দিন ফর দ্য হেডিং আন্ডার দ্য হেডিং ফর ডিসমিসাল। কালকে লিস্টে দিয়ে দিন, কালকে সব ডিসমিসাল অর্ডারটা একটু চেঞ্জ করে দিন। দিস ইজ এনওয়াল ঠিক আছে, ওপরে ঠিকই থাকবে। দিস ইজ এনওয়াল none to press the appeal in order to give the petitioners one more opportunity. Appellants one more opportunity. This matter and for dismissal. কালকে ঠিক আছে, এখন দিতে হবে না, কল করে দিন। ফর ডিসমিসাল হলে কালকে সব তুলে ইয়ে করে, ঠিক আছে? তাহলে এই অর্ডার সব কোটা দিতে হবে ফর ডিসমিসাল। ওটাও সব সেম সেম সেম। ওর ক্যানগুলো আনিয়ে নেবেন। হ্যাঁ, নেক্সট। সেম অর্ডার করে দিন। এগুলো সব কালকে ফর ডিসমিসাল হেডিং এ থাকবে। Any আর করতে পারি।
For number 1, my lord. Okay, for number 4, I respond number 5.
Yes.
Lordship, the petitioner come for challenging the order dated 22 of July 2024 by West Bengal Information Commission.
You are appearing for the commission? Yes.
The Lordship, kindly turn to page number
25.
25.
25. Yes.
It is in Bengali, Your Lordship. I make an RTA application to the headmaster of Novoshana Janakullan Vidyapit, where I'm seeking for my attendance from their attendance sheet,
Right.
date 1st of January 2020 to 20th September 2021.
Right.
Secondly, I am seeking for the managing committee's regulations or minutes in taking decisions from 1st January 2020 to 20th September 2021. And thirdly, the date is same, the period is same. I am seeking for acquaintance roll from the school,
Certified copy you are want. Yes.
because three are related with my service book.
Very well. What is
As
the
I am
answer?
now, I am transferred to another school, and in future I am facing trouble regarding that.
And what has the commission said?
And commission says commission dispose of it. I am not getting my information. Two information I get from the kindly school is replied. Kindly, Your Lordship. Page number 33, an extra P5. 33.
Kindly come page 34, my lord.
Kindly come to page number 33, where may I read, Your Lordship?
Why are you not supplying him? Supply the information. What is the problem?
All are supplied, my lord.
Which one is
No.
supplied? You have supplied. He has sought for three informations. One is his attendance registers certified copy from 1st of January 2020 to 20th of September 2021. You have supplied this. You have got that.
One and third already got, my lord.
So second you supply,
Second is
managing
not
committee,
supplied.
managing committee resolution book, why are you not supplying? Supply it, what is the problem?
My lord, this data
May I get a copy, Your Lordship?
Wait, he has not asked for GO. ওটা দেখান। Page 42. Yes. Very well, to you supply it in such a manner. No, if he has supplied it by hand, he should have got some receipt or something of that sort.
But
If you have supplied once, supply it again.
in page number
You
33,
supply
Your
it.
Lordship,
Why are you not supplying
in
it?
page number 33, Your Lordship, in the sale pad, where they mention that it is not related to you, so it is not under the provisions of RTA Act 2005. So what is it? Page number
If he
32
is in the
for
school, he is
query.
entitled to know the resolutions of the managing committee. What is the problem? Why is it? Why it is not related to him?
not related to the petitioner.
No. The commission should have asked him to give the
And
information.
kindly-
Please give the information to him. What is your problem?
Kindly see the page 42, paragraph 8.
He has shown paragraph 8 to me, but your reply, the letter which you just now handed up to me in court, that letter and this letter at page 33 of the writ petition are at variance. This letter says something else. The letter at page 33 says something else. Your submission before the state commission is absolutely different from the two stands. So you have taken total 3 stands.
And my lord, page 33.
I'm seeing page 33. Page 33 he showed just now to me. Page 33 says that it is not related to him, therefore he should not get it. The letter which you just now handed up to me says there is no GO, therefore it will not be given. Before the state commission, you say that he has already been given the reply by hand. So you are taking different stands. Take one stand.
My lord, all not purview the RTI Act. Resolution.
Why?
Resolution copy, but the RTI Act,
How is it? It is not within the purview of RTI Act.
resolution copy, not related to the petitioner, my lord.
So what? It is related to the school. Then
It is not under the purview of RTI Act, so
this will not help. How it is not under the purview of the RTI Act? You have to show that.
resolution.
Is it a secret document?
Resolution copy, my lord.
What resolution?
Resolution.
Is it a secret
Separate-
document?
separate type of
Resolution copy he is not entitled to. Why? Under which rule he is not entitled? Under which rule is he not entitled to the copy of the resolution?
Another
First answer this question, then we'll move on to the next question. Why he is not entitled to?
also directed to supply the copy.
Why are you not giving? I want an answer from you because you have taken 3 different stands.
Headmaster wrote to the letter, my lord. It is not related to your, so it is not under the purview of RTI Act 2005.
Commission will decide this issue. Why has the commission not decided it?
Commission.
The petitioner is aggrieved. I'm directing you only. I'm directing you to decide this. You have not decided this issue. The petitioner is aggrieved by an order dated July 22,
প্রমাণ কোথায় তোমরা যে লিখেছো তার প্রমাণ
passed by the West Bengal Information Commission, thereby disposing of the petitioner's second appeal under second appeal is under which provision? 7.3, 9.3. under section 19(3), under section 19 within bracket 3 of the Right to Information Act, 2005, full stop, paragraph. The petitioner, you are teaching where now?
Now I'm
Presently, where are
teaching
you teaching?
different school.
Petitioner is
It
an
is in
assistant teacher
Pura.
at Kodma, KDMA, Kodma High School, full stop. Prior to him taking employment in Kodma High School, he was employed at the same post. You have been transferred there to Kodma High School.
Yes.
Prior to the petitioner being transferred, employed na kare, prior to the petitioner being transferred to Kodma High School, he was serving at the same post.
Same post. As
Same post at Nayo Basana Jonokolyan Vidyapith, NAYA, BASANA,
my
JNAKLYM Vidyapith, within bracket HS, full stop. On January 7, 2022, the petitioner made an application under the Right to Information Act, 2005, seeking three informations from the headmaster, Nayabashon Jonokolyan Vidyapith. The following three information, the following three information. A, certified copies of the attendance register of the petitioner from January 1, 2020 to September 20, 2021. Full stop. B, certified copy of the resolutions taken by the managing committee of the school from January 1, 2020 to September 20, 2021. And 3, acquaintance roll, certified copy of the acquaintance roll from same period, January 1 to
No, from 1st January 20 to 30th September.
30th, 29th now, 30th, 20th now, 39th, 30th, full stop. While the petitioner was supplied the first and the third information, i.e., the certified copy of the attendance register and the acquaintance roll, certified copies and the attendance roll, but the information being certified copy of the resolutions of the managing committee was not supplied to the petitioner. Full stop. Feeling aggrieved, the petitioner moved before the appellate authority under section 19(1). First appeal 19(1) of the Right to Information Act 2005, full stop. Being dissatisfied with the order passed by the first appellate authority, the petitioner moved the second appellate authority, being the West Bengal Information Commission, by way of second appeal under section 19 within bracket 3 of the Right to Information Act 2005, full stop, paragraph. The West Bengal Information Commission has ultimately disposed of the petitioner's second appeal by an order dated July 22, 2024, observing as follows. Deliberation and decision থেকে এই হচ্ছে, ঠিক আছে? Paragraph. It appears a reading of the aforesaid observations made by the West Bengal Information Commission makes it evident that the Information Commission has steered clear of the petitioner's requirement and has made observations which were not necessary and germane for the case at hand. Full stop. The specific requirement of the petitioner was that the resolution book, the certified copies of the resolution of the managing committee of the said school were not supplied to the petitioner. Full stop. It is not understood as to how a request for supplying certified copy of the managing committee of a school, such certified copy of the resolutions taken by the managing committee of a school wherein the petitioner had been serving as assistant teacher, would be harassing if the petitioner sought for such certified copies, sought for sought for certified copies of such resolutions which were taken during the period when the petitioner was in service at the relevant school. You were in service at that period,
At that
within
period,
that period,
yes.
20 to 20, you were there, 21, full stop. Paragraph. If the petitioner is disentitled to the said information in terms of any provision of the right to information in 2005, then it was incumbent on the West Bengal Information Commission to specifically indicate the same while denying the relief sought for by the writ petitioner. Full stop. Not having done so, the West Bengal Information Commission has failed to discharge its statutory obligation. Full stop. This court takes note that the respondent school authority has, by a letter dated March 9, 2022, replied to the petitioner as follows, comma, replied to the petitioner as follows, replied to the petitioner, comma, has, as regards, replied to the petitioner again, as regards the petitioner's query pertaining to the certified copies of the resolution of the managing committee of the school, comma, has replied to as follows. এইটা কোট করবেন for query 2 বলে এটা কোট করবেন page 33, ঠিক আছে? It is not related to full stop. Paragraph. The before the commission, comma, as যেখানে ওয়েস্ট বেঙ্গল ইনফরমেশন কমিশন লিখে যাবে ব্র্যাকেটে এক জায়গায় হিয়ার আফটার দ্য কমিশন করে দিলে সাবজেক্ট before the commission, just a minute, before the commission, the stand of the school was that that certified copies of the resolution had been supplied to the petitioner physically, that is by hand. Full stop. The same would be apparent from a reading of paragraph 8 of the order impugned. Full stop. The stands are evidently contradictory. Full stop. This ought to have been taken note of by the commission as well. Full stop. Yes.
Only point, Madam, if previous agenda, which is passed, and
So you say that it is secret, it is not, this won't do. Explain it to him. The commission has not deliberated on it at all. What you are saying now is not reflected anywhere.
No,
You say,
one more thing, Your Lordship. It's subject to correction, Your Lordship, because they are mentioning here that they have supplied to me by hand.
I have written that.
If they have
I've written
supplied
that.
it, so
I've
why
written that.
secret?
I've written
no. Query number 2, by hand supply.
So why did you supply if it is not related to him? So it is
Not
contradictory.
secret, I think.
It is contradictory. That is what I'm saying. And the one which you handed up to me is again something else. Liquid. In such view of the matter, the order dated July 22, 2024, passed by the West Bengal Information Commission is hereby set aside. Full stop. The matter is remanded to the commission for a fresh decision. Full stop. The commission shall decide the petitioner's appeal under section 19(3) of the Right to Information Act 2005, which had been disposed of by the order dated, by the order impugned afresh by a reasoned order, full stop. It is clarified that this order shall not be treated as a command to supply the information to the petitioner if the petitioner is not entitled to the same in terms of law, in accordance with law, full stop. In case it is found that the petitioner is entitled to the said information, such information would be supplied. The commission shall ensure that such information is supplied to the petitioner at the earliest in accordance with law, full stop. In case it is found by the commission that the petitioner is not entitled to the said information, the commission shall give cogent reasons as to why such information has been refused or should be refused. Full stop. WPA 2547 of 2025 stands disposed of with the above exemptions.
It's a time period, Lordship, but if it's
अथवा
not,
commission shall dispose of
Straight
said appeal, rehear the appeal লিখেছেন, reasoned order actually লিখেছেন না ওপরে দেখুন, remanded back যেখানে দিলাম ওখানে একটু পড়ুন।
সেটা প্লিজ দেখেছি দেখুন চিঠি পাঠানো হয়েছে
which had been impugned within the reasoned order এর পরে within a period of 8 weeks from the date of communication of this order. Mr. Shaha, I have set aside the order. The order is not at all convincing. You have seen the order.
I've seen it.
Somebody has asked for the resolutions of the managing committee of the school where he worked for the period during which he worked. If he is not entitled to it, the commission will say he is not entitled to it because of this reason. The reasons that he has given are all lectures.
Difficulty, what I have understood from plain reading of this order, my lord, he was inconsistent in giving a reply.
No,
to
but
several replies.
the information that he has sought at page 25 is quite clear. There is no doubt or confusion as regards he has sought for 3 informations. One was acquaintance roll, the other was resolution, the third was attendance register. So there is no confusion as regards the 3. 2 you have supplied. As regards 3, you see the commissioner's order.
No, I have
See the
not
commission.
supplied, but I have.
See school supplied. See the commission's order. See paragraph 8.
Well, if you will kindly starts reading from paragraph 6. Sir.
No, you see paragraph 8 first.
The headmaster of the school submitted the appellant was provided reply to query number 2 by hand.
Yes, now you see paragraph page 33. Query number 2.
It is not related to you.
So what is the stand? So this the commission ought to have decided whether they are, if he is entitled to, you give him. If he is not entitled to, say why he is not entitled to. You have been harassing you. This is not the purview.
No, that's certainly not. I agree with your lordship.
You have to restrict yourself to the information sought for. If the information itself is harassing, then in that case, yes, you can take a view, but you will not convict him for his past acts. If it was not supplied or if it was not furnishable, then how could it be supplied by hand? If it was something which was barred under the act, he could not have supplied him by hand also. Then the commission should have recorded satisfaction that he has already been supplied, isn't it?
No, it is recorded though, my lord, that he has got the. Then the appellant changed his stand. On query, the appellant replied that his own aim was to get GPF and other issues. When the SPIU intervened and submitted, the appellant himself admitted.
He will only decide on the basis. He will only decide as regards resolution, nothing more. I have said that he will decide whether he is entitled to get the copies of the resolution of the managing committee or not.
Commission will decide on this.
Yes, only this one. Because commission is not to decide anything else. He is
Exactly.
only to decide whether information is to be furnished or not to be furnished. If it is to be furnished, he'll ask to furnish. If it is not to be furnished, he'll give reasons why he is not entitled to get the information. That's all. He'll decide that, because we cannot decide this also without the commission first deciding. We can definitely
Yes,
decide, but
yes,
we'll have
your
to
lordship can
enter
definitely
into
decide
it.
and direct them that to produce. In
Let
other
him do
matters,
his
what
business
you
first.
that I
Great, your lordship.
Affidavit of service filed. Only resolution, nothing more. I have indicated that. ওখানে একটা ইয়ে করে দিন, যেখানে রিমান্ডেড করেছেন না, এই জায়গায় একটা লিখে দেবেন যে only for the purpose of deciding as to whether deciding the appeal afresh, যেখানে লিখেছেন only on the point as to whether the writ petitioner is entitled to get copies of the resolution of the managing committee as asked for in his request for information dated, what was the date? January 9 or March 9, 20. ওপরে লেখা আছে আপনি যে 2020. That I have given, I have mentioned. Other thing is mentioned, I have now narrowed it.
1st January 2020 to 20th September 2020.
Date of the request.
great.
For respondent number 5 and 6.
এটা লিখে দিন। The petitioner remained unrepresented on September 17, 2025, when the matter was called on. Full stop. Today also, the petitioner is not represented. Full stop. The respondent numbers 5 and 6 are represented. Full stop. Since the petitioner does not appear to be interested in pursuing his cause, comma, the না করে WPA 2699 of 2025 stands dismissed for default.
I am for the people. I am for the Reserve Bank of the petition. Respondent number 7 is the husband. Respondent number 7 is the husband of the petitioner, lordship. They both jointly took a home loan.
Huh?
They both jointly took a home loan, lordship. Subsequently, a matrimonial dispute cropped up, and husband left the petitioner wife with her 2 sons, and presently she is living in that house, lordship. And husband was paying the home loan EMIs, lordship. But suddenly in 2024, some bank officials, without disclosing their designations, went to petitioner's house and saying that to pay the due amounts of the home loan or to vacate the house. Later, she also received a notice that is in page 13, annexure P3, lordship, for payment of the dues.
Who is
Which-
appearing for the bank?
I'm appearing for the bank, your lordship.
Yes.
Your lordship, there are dues. Your lordship will kindly come to page 13, your lordship. The
Yes.
demand,
What is the proceeding under which you have
the surface proceeding
this
has been-
notice is not one under surface.
this
Act.
is
What is
this
appeal?
is the overdue amount. First we have to raise an overdue amount.
You have initiated proceedings under Surface Act.
Yes, we have initiated. This is the first initiation. Then
This is not in. This is not a
13
notice under
Lordship,
section 13.2.
astonishing-
I have seen notices under section
Yes,
13.
I-
Lordship,
13 to
astonishingly,
lordship, but-
when the petitioner communicated with the bank officials, they are saying this notice was not sent by them.
Lordship, kindly
This is
get,
confusing,
kindly get back. I will get back with the report from the bank authority regarding the same. What is there? What the surface?
When will you come back? Tomorrow.
Not tomorrow, lordship. On Monday, your lordship.
Very good. Look at it. The petitioner complains of high-handed action on the part of the respondent bank authorities in seeking to disturb the possession of the petitioner despite payment of loan installments. Full stop. Paragraph. Learned advocate appearing for the respondent number 3.
This one 3.
for the bank, for Union Bank of India.
Union Bank of
For Union Bank of India, i.e. the respondent number 3, comma, seeks time to take instructions, full stop, as played for, let this matter be adjourned for this week. Next week, whenever I say.
After the prayer,
You are, sir, you are appearing for?
state. I am appearing to state.
Very well, nothing to do next week. State is represented, bole likhe debe. State is represented. Affidavit of service filed to be kept with it. এটা রেখে নিন, দেখে নেবেন।
Lordship, I wait for the respondent number 4.
ওই সেম অর্ডার করে দিন, এই এটা ডিসমিস ফর ডিফল্টের যে অর্ডারটা হলো, ওই এখানে 5 and 6 ছিল, এখানে 4 and 9, ঠিক আছে, সেম জিনিস, ডিসমিস ফর ডিফল্ট।
But I am for the petitioner, my lord. This is the third occasion my lord.
Can't be helped.
I am appearing for
Thank
dismiss
you.
number 5. my lord.
During the
State
puja
is the
month, my lord,
answering
I am
Can't be helped, sir.
without my
Not
lorry
today.
has been stuck up, my lord. Your
Next,
lordship has
next,
disposed
next,
of the
next, next,
several matter.
So what?
My lordship kindly pass one line order. If they do not appear, lordship will pass this order. But lord,
Bring him.
No,
No, why are you being so
my lord,
unreasonable?
every day I am calling him to come here, my
Mr.
lord.
Das,
I am very
before
blessed,
the
my lord.
puja, suddenly I sit for 15 minutes, half an hour. Don't press like this. Don't
My
be
lord,
unreasonable.
I give it. Leave it.
There were occasions when you were also not there and time was sought for on your behalf. There were several
My
occasions.
last
Don't forget that.
3 occasions, my
And
lord.
before that, 3 occasions you were also not there. Don't be
Kindly-
unreasonable. Don't be unreasonable.
Yes, the last occasion I also called in.
So
to
last
kindly
occasion he
come.
was there. Yesterday only he was not there. Don't be unreasonable.
Well, when matter will be appearing, my lord?
Tomorrow. It is appearing every day. You bring him.
I
Don't ask
called
for
him,
ex
my lord.
parte orders. You know I will not be able to
Today I
dispose.
inform him to kindly appear, kindly appear.
Tomorrow,
8 matters are already been disposed.
treat him with a cup of coffee, he'll come.
8 matters your lordship has disposed of. Only one is.
Very well there. I will not dispose of in absence of anybody.
I shall inform him, my lord.
Yes. I don't even dismiss matters without bringing it 3 or 4 times under the heading dismissal and all. Ex parte orders, we all are in difficulty
I
at
shall
times.
inform today.
Inform. Yes, he will call করলেন 27. লিখে নিন তো, প্রত্যেক দিন আসে না। None appears for any of the parties. Full stop. List this matter under the heading for dismissal. কালকে ডেট দিয়ে দিন, comma, to put the writ petitioner on notice and to give the petitioner one more chance to press the writ petition. Same order করে দিন, স্টেটের নামটা রেকর্ড করে দিন, will appear for dismissal tomorrow.
My lord, I am for the petitioner. Mr. Satwik Bhattacharya is on behalf of the petitioner. My lord, due to health issues of my senior, he is unable to come to the.
লিখে নিন একটা order.
My lord, please fix to tomorrow. Yes.
Tomorrow it won't be fixed. Learned advocate appearing for the petitioner. You give your name. Naam record kar den, such and such appears and submits that the learned advocate appearing for the petitioner is indisposed. Full stop. Since a prayer for adjournment is made, let this matter be adjourned for this week. Next week it will appear if visit will take. এই উইকে আর থাকবে না, next week. This week. Yes. কল করুন, ওই ডিসমিসালের অর্ডারটা রেকর্ড করে দিন। দেখি ওটা ইয়েতে দেখি। হ্যাঁ, ডিসমিসাল। হ্যাঁ, যেটা কেউ নেই, কালকে ফর ডিসমিসাল। হ্যাঁ ওটাও লিখে সেম অর্ডার আর রেসপন্ডেন্টের নাম রেকর্ড let him come will if he doesn't come I'll dismiss for default দেখি কি আছে ওনারটা রেকর্ড করে দিই সাবমিশনটা রেকর্ড করে দিই
without challenging the tender process, without participating
দেখি
in the
ওটা
tender, but he has further challenged the tender process. And one of the
হ্যাঁ
work order
please
was
please come again what are you saying
without participating in the tender process, they have challenged the tender process.
and that they can do for that writ petition will not be not
Work
maintainable
order was issued, and that what is yet to be copied.
very well it will in any case be dismissed for default only if he doesn't appear ঠিক আছে কিছু থাকবে না ওনার নামটা শুধু রেকর্ড করুন কালকের জন্য হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ ফর ডিসমিসাল সব কালকেই আসবে ডিসমিস ফর ডিফল্ট তো হয়ে গেছে ওটা তো আর কিছু করার নেই এটা ফর ডিসমিসাল হেডিং এ আসবে এটা ডিসমিস ফর ডিফল্ট করছে না তো ডিসমিস ফর ডিফল্ট শুধু ওইগুলোই হচ্ছে যেগুলো ফর ডিসমিসাল হেডিং এ এসছে
This is for
নো ইট উইল অ্যাপিয়ার ফর ডিসমিসাল টুমরো no no you take it back unnecessarily if I dismiss it for default why will I keep on
My lord, I'm for the
ওই সেম প্রেয়ার অ্যাডজর্নমেন্ট ওই অ্যাডজর্ন ফর দিস উইক প্রেয়ার অফ ওই ইলনেসের গ্রাউন্ডে যেটা হয়েছে নেক্সট
My lord, 32, Aniruddha Chatterjee Devabroto Roy is on behalf of the petitioner. Due to illness, they are not come today. I'm for the same thing for the 33, I'm paying for not today, not this week. My lord, it have.
33
Yes, my lord.
Same.
Aniruddha Roy, no, my lord. Aniruddha Chatterjee and Devabroto Roy is on behalf of the petitioner.
so what
My lord, in this matter, there was due to his their illness, they would not come today.
illness
Yes, my lord. Health
ওই
issues.
সেম গ্রাউন্ড illness
I'm paying not this week.
হ্যাঁ স্টেটের নাম দিয়ে দিন ওই নট দিস উইক করে দেবেন যেরকম মানে আগের অর্ডার রেকর্ড করেছেন অ্যাডজর্ন ফর দিস উইক নেক্সট
And for the petitioner,
দেখি
Lordship, on the last occasion, I had prayed for filing a supplementary affidavit. This is the, I will serve upon the other side.
সাপ্লিমেন্টারি অ্যাফিডেভিট অফ সাব
Yes, Your
লিখে নিন একটা অর্ডার রেকর্ড
Lordship, kindly then keep it out on Monday.
I will not be able to fix the date. It will appear next week whenever I come.
Dep-
Uh,
Not tomorrow. It's just.
no, it won't appear tomorrow.
Deep-
No. Affidavit of service filed today be kept with the record. Learned advocate appearing for the petitioner files a supplementary affidavit. Full stop. The same is taken on record. Copy of the supplementary affidavit has already been served. You have received a copy. Supplementary affidavit has already been served upon the learned advocate appearing for the state respondents. Full stop. As prayed for, list this matter in the coming week. সামনে সপ্তাহে ডেট দিতে হবে না কামিং উইক মানডে আমি জানি না তো বসবো কিনা কামিং উইক করলে ওটা মানডে থেকে লিস্টে রান করবো
Deep, Your Lordship.
ছেড়ে দিন 32 হয়ে গেছে কল করে যান যদি দুপক্ষ থাকে তাহলে নেবো আর ডিসমিসালের অর্ডার রেকর্ড হবে বোথ সাইডস না থাকলে কিছু হবে না চল
38 my lord
বোথ সাইডস
my lord 38 my lord
My lord,
wanted to be after the petition.
my lord coming and
No, yeah, I because I
my lord is taking 37, my lord.
No, 38 has been called.
Yes, yes. No, no, 1 week I was absent because I have undergone a surgery. If it is after vacation, no problem.
ঠিক আছে লিখে নিন
Because I sent my junior because I was under treatment.
As
Yes.
prayed for by the parties, list this matter immediately after reopening of the court after the puja vacation.
Yes. 1 week, my lord, full 1 week I was absent.
Very good.
I am grateful, my lord.
I'm for the 37.
37 has gone.
Somebody was appearing on it also.
38 কল হয়ে গেছে তো আবার ব্যাক করবেন না কোথায় গেল both sides are there, only then I'll take. Don't prefer not today unnecessarily because it's already 4:33, so I'll only take up if both sides are there.
This week, my lord, not this week, my lord. This time for the petitioner appeal will be for the petitioner.
Not this week. Make that prayer tomorrow. Chalo. Is there any matter where both sides are there?
My lordship, this matter is already become infructuous. Upon your lordship's direction, just one report has to be submitted on behalf of the petitioner, my lordship. Kindly take it and then the matter will be disposed of, my lordship.
You have brought the letter?
Yes, my lordship. I have brought the letter.
48. Unless the matter be called on, then you cannot understand either the other side is separate.
No, at times people call each other and come because then I'll have to call the entire list. That arrangement you'll have to make.
The lordship called the matters there in that you can understand.
It is 4:35.
May I mention a matter, my
will
lord?
not be there.
May I mention a matter, my lord? Our item is item number 81. It was item number 89 in tomorrow's list. But if it is upgrade, I am for respondent number 10, private respondent.
Upgradation I'm not allowing. এটা দিয়ে দিন কালকে কল হলে দেব. You do it tomorrow only. কল করে যান একবার দেখে নি কেউ যদি থাকে both পক্ষ যদি থাকে
48 my lord, 48 my lord, I am petitioner of India my lord, and 48.
কল করে যান.
47 has. I am for the 47.
চলুন.
In that way, this matter will be appeared on
be there
tomorrow's
in the
list. 51, my lord, I am for the petition.
You'll do it?
Yes, my lord, if you
Both sides are there, I'll take it. All the respondents are represented?
My lord,
because beyond time, if any one of them is absent, I will not take.
अपनी कार में तो हाँ 51. Lord, primarily, my lord, this is again an order. My lord, initially, petitioner is a life convict. My lord. He has served close to 23 years in jail. He had preferred an application. His case was presented before the SSR, State Sentence Review Board, my lord. The board held in the favor of the petitioner and recommended his release. Thereafter, my lord, the petitioner was not being released. So he filed a writ petition before this honorable court. My lord, I have annexed. I'll take your lordship through the order. Thereafter, my lord, there was a direction by this single bench of this honorable court upon the judicial department to issue the order in line with the recommendations of the review board. Thereafter, my lord, we present.
You are representing all the respondents?
No, I am only my lord district judiciary. I am just I am for the respondent number 7. My lord. Chief Judge, City Session Court. My lord. Who is the my lord of the court, my lord, who has passed an order, my lord, rejecting the claim. Now the question involved is, my lord, the SRB in 2022, my lord.
No, then let me hear. Yes, your presence will suffice, others are not required.
Yes, my lord, my presence and other state is here.
You are representing the others. Yes, sir.
Yes, my lord. Then, my lord, we communicated the order to the judicial department requesting them to issue the release order. Then, my lord, we were served with a undated communication stating that the concerned court, the judge of the concerned court has passed negative recommendation, hence the release order cannot be passed, and it was turned down. Assailing that, we have approached this honorable court. Now, my lord, let me take your lordship through the annexes to appraise your lordship, my lord, properly. Your lordship may kindly turn to no order, recommendation or order. My lord, page number 150. 150.
150.
150 is the recommendation.
Yes.
It starts from the notification of the constitution of the SSRB is at 149, and then 150 is the recommendation, and 151 is so far as the petitioner is concerned.
151 is the petitioner's recommendation for the petitioner.
Yes, my lord. Kindly seize, my lord.
Yes, has been recommended by all concerned. I've seen it.
Yes, for all concerned.
Yes.
And my lord, may turn to 149 once.
149.
Sees the constitution of this notification dated 24/1/2020. This is the composition of the SSRB.
Yes.
And 150 is so far as the 69th meeting was concerned, page the members who were present. So in this, my lord, 6th number, Uttam Kumar Pahari, the Joint Secretary, Judicial Department, he was a part of this board. Thereafter, my lord, since nothing was being done, we preferred
the writ petition. I've seen that order.
Yes, my lord. Now, my lord, on the hindsight, let me appraise your lordship of one more important thing. When the petitioner, along with another person, Kalu, was his co-accused and the principal accused of that case, my lord, his application was, he was recommended and his application was approved and he was released sometime in 2020. And in the course of the trial, my lord, both of us were similarly placed. So there is no way we can be distinguished so far as our antecedents are concerned. That is at page 139. Kalu's detention certificate. No, 144 is, sorry, my lord, 144.
144 is Kalu.
Yes, my lord. Kindly seize the remarks. Premature release as per order received from the Judicial Department, such and such, and release order received 37/2020. So Kalu and I, during the course of trial and also the incident, we were similarly placed.
15 years imprisonment.
Yes. Total detention was 17 years, 2 months, 27.
2 years had already expired while he was under trial.
Yes.
And then conviction was from 2005 to 2020. So 15 years.
Yes. Now, my detention certificate is at page 147, annexed P8.
147. 147 is yours.
Yes, my lord. Muhammad Amjad. And the behavior, your lordship may kindly see remarks, his behavior inside the correctional home is good and he performs allotted task. And here, this is off, issued sometime in 1st of April 2024. At that point of time, he has almost served 20 years, 10 months, 28 days.
Right.
Thereafter, my lord, I have shown your lordship the order of the writ court. That is at the operative portion is at page 156, 157.
Yes, I've seen that.
Yes, my lord.
Now, what is the problem?
Now, thereafter, my lord, I communicated to them the order.
Where is the order by which you are now aggrieved?
Yes, my lord. That is 165 onwards. That is the covering letters circulated to us from Dr. Uttam Pahari, Additional Secretary, who was a part of that SSRB. And this is the recent order, my lord, 166. Now, this is very important, my lord. My lord, may I place the order?
Entirety of it you need not place. You place the relevant portion because we have to keep a tab on time also.
Yes, yes, my lord. Now, my lord, I'll take your lordship through to 166, second last paragraph.
Yes.
After obtaining the recommendation of the 69 meeting held on 2nd September 22 of SSRB, this department has forwarded the name of the said life convict to the Honorable High Court, Calcutta, with a letter dated such and such on 2nd November 22, and subsequently a reminder letter dated 24/5/24 in order of obtaining opinion with reasons of the presiding judge of the convicting or confirming court. Well, this terminology, presiding judge of the convicting or confirming court, is very important. Considering the prevalent practice in force in pursuance of order dated 2011-12 of the Honorable Supreme Court in criminal appeal number such and such in the matter of Sangeet versus State of Haryana before remission of the life convict.
Yes.
In response to the letter number dated 2nd November 22 and subsequent reminder dated 24/5/24, the Honorable High Court with a letter date number 2642G dated 37/24, enclosing letter bearing number dated 23/7/24, read with memo number dated such and such 18 November 22 of the Chief Judge, being the convicting court in respect of the life convict, has communicated the following conclusive opinion. Malab, the dates are extremely important because on page 166, last paragraph, your lordship sees the High Court had forwarded the letter on 30th of July 24. This was not brought before the notice of the earlier, when the earlier writ petition was moved, this was not at all brought. It is a
this document?
Yes, my lord. Kindly sees the date. The written order date of the date is the Honorable High Court. I am reading it once more. Video letter number 2642G dated 37/24. Enclosing letter bearing number dated 23/7/24. So this is of July, and the order of the writ court is of 20th November 24. This was never brought to the notice of the writ court. At that point of time, my lord, the submission of the respondents was, if the Honorable Court directs, we shall issue the appropriate order. And in with line of that statement, this order was passed. The paragraph number 6, which is very important. Your lordship has seen the paragraph, my lord. The judicial secretary is directed to take steps to consider and dispose of the prayer of the petitioner in line with the recommendations made by the SSRB.
Yes, then after this opinion of the City Sessions Court, what will the writ court do?
My lord, with deepest respect, my lord, I take your lordship through judgments also after I place this on record, my lord. Now, my lord, your lordship sees the opinion. The
I've
opinion
seen that.
which
I've
is
seen that. I've read
which
it.
starts from in this juncture. My lord, this opinion, it has to be first the opinion of the convicting court or the presiding judge of the convicting court, not by a chief judge of that court. It cannot be. If the judge who had rendered the order of conviction is present, then the respondents have to take the opinion of that particular judge because he was the presiding
No,
judge.
it can't be the person. It has to be the court.
No, my lord. If
Shouldn't be the person.
if the so-called judge, even after retiring, is available, then the opinion of that particular judge. If not, then that particular court. For example, my lord,
Is there any authority for that?
my lord, I'll take your lordship.
No, no, show me that,
yes,
because
my lord, the
no
second,
taking business. Let us clear
My
the
lord.
confusions first, and then we shall move on
My
to the
lord,
next.
I'll place one para of
First,
this.
clear this confusion of mine so that I can move with a clear mind. Don't block quotes and say I'll come to that later. Answer the query of the court first, then move to the next point. That is how we have learned.
Yes, yes, my lord, I'll take your lordship. এখান থেকে অফিস জাজের কপিটা ধর মাই লর্ডের কপিটা কাইন্ডলি বেয়ার মাই লর্ডের কপিগুলো কোথায়? Well, this is a judgment of 2022 12 SCC 52, my lord. Well, of the Honorable Supreme Court. Office copy.
This paragraph?
Yes, my lord. Kindly bear with me, my lord. All the documents are just a bit scattered. আরেকটা ফাইল ছিল না পুরো ঘেটে দিয়েছো দাঁড়াও ডকুমেন্ট গুলো ঘাটলে কেন necessary document গুলো কেটে দিয়েছো Yes, my lord, paragraph 19 to 28, the Honorable Supreme Court lays down the parameters and what, yes, 2022 12 SCC 52. My lord, it has also,
but it says the opinion of the presiding judge.
Yes, presiding judge, my lord, with deepest respect, my lord, presiding judge is the judge who presides over the matter, not otherwise. Suppose, my lord, your lordship is rendering a judgment today, tomorrow they want an opinion, it cannot be placed before the Honorable Chief Justice to take the opinion of the Honorable Chief Justice.
Who had passed this order of conviction?
Yes.
Which court?
The 7th court. Subject to correct 7th? 7th court, Calcutta. I have annexed that judgment as well.
12th bench of the State of Calcutta.
Annexure P1, my lord, page 29. It has to be that particular court.
The 12th
Yes, what on this? What is your answer to this? Because section 432 CRPC says opinion of the presiding judge of the court before or by which.
No, my lord, so far this issue is concerned, my lord, I just say to his lordship that this opinion has been given by the chief judge.
But if this statute requires that the same court has to give the opinion, can it be given by somebody else?
Then I have to, my lord, come back to his lordship with this, my lord, because I had to talk with that particular this judiciary also, my lord, with regard to this aspect also, my lord.
Come tomorrow then.
Tomorrow,
because next week will be uncertain. I also don't know because it has been taken up
I do
after
not
a
know
long.
whether it is possible just to
Telephonically everything is possible. It's only a question of law, nothing on facts.
May I indicate one more paragraph, my lord, before your lordship concludes today's hearing, my lord? Page 167, the operative portion of the reasoning of the judge concerned, my lord, kindly sees italics third para, middle of the page, 167.
167.
Yes, the impugned.
Yes,
my lord. 167. In this regard, it is submitted that this court is not aware whether this convict, namely Muhammad Amjad, has lost his potentiality about his criminal act. Further, or he still maintains the relationship with his old criminal
so you want to say that there is no conclusive finding of the court as regards the potentiality, which according to this judgment is a sine qua non for arriving at the conclusion. I have read it. I have understood that. This needs an answer.
Yes,
because it was somewhat similar in this.
Lordship.
As far as my to some extent is concerned, for the state, the SSR means State Sentence Review Board is in favor of the petition.
So far as the presiding judge and Supreme Court is concerned.
Presiding judge is not,
That
that
is
is
the-
the,
that is
that
the whole
is the
fact.
catch.
That
If
is
it
not
had
the-
been the presiding judge, parameters would have been different. Now there are two
Yes.
questions which we need to answer. First is whether someone else than the presiding judge can. Second is whether this kind of a conclusion that I am unaware whether he has been reformed fully or not, whether leaving him free in the society will pose a danger to the society or not. This is the only question which he has to form an opinion on.
Yes.
If he has not been able to form a conclusive opinion on this, then in that case, the matter needs to be decided by him again in view of this judgment.
Decided by him.
By
Supreme
the
Court.
by
Yes.
the relevant authority,
Yes.
relevant court.
Delegated back to him.
Relevant court has to be. I cannot decide. Supreme Court did not do.
Yes.
It is on him to decide in terms
Yes,
of the
render
CRP.
an
So he should-
opinion, and having said so, my lord, with deepest respect,
At the first instance, if the decision itself is not taken, or whether this amounts to a decision taken or not, you will have to enlighten. And whether he has the authority to do this or not. So there are two
Only
questions
two-
of
yes,
law
ma'am.
only.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I'm keeping it tomorrow.
Lordship.
Let us see. If you can't, then you can't.
I'll try.
But try to do it so
I will
that you
try,
can
I'll try.
finish it
Yes,
before
yes,
the
I will
vacation.
try, I will try.
it has to be in light of the judgment, my lord,
Yes.
and also the opinion of the presiding judge is not binding. It is merely for their.
But that opinion has to be
Yes,
there.
definitely.
In terms of
Sometimes
The
Supreme
opinion
Court
has to be there.
Yes, that opinion
Because
from the presiding
Yes.
judge is
Supreme
is
Court has
must
said that
there.
it is
the
mandatory.
ratio of Sangeet-
Opinion is mandatory.
Yes,
In the language of
that
this
is to be there, but that is, having said that, not binding.
heard learned advocates appearing for the respective parties list this matter tomorrow for further consideration. এটা for further consideration heading উপরে দিয়ে দেব কারণ শোনা হচ্ছে তো তাহলে I will be sitting at maybe 3 হ্যাঁ না ওই সেকেন্ড আপিল পুরনো ম্যাটারের নিচে দেবেন ওইগুলো তো ডিসমিস হয়ে ফর ডিসমিসালের নিচে দেবেন ফর ডিসমিসাল গুলো এর জন্য upgradation I'm not allowing any. Don't make that clear because there are many people mentioning if I allow one I should allow all, and I shouldn't allow upgradation because I'm a broken bench. I myself don't know when I will sit.
Tomorrow sits at 3. 3 to okay. Problem is Friday, my lord. All the courts are, my lord, contempt.
Spare
and all
some
this.
time for